video we are gonna check that how to add images in the HTML. So first of all I would create a images.html file and then press shift and exclamation and hitting the tab will get me to the boilerplate of HTML. I would give the title to images. So I have to add an image. For adding an image, it's very simple. Just hit the image tag and in the source write the destination of your image. For example, I want to add this, so just images, sorry, basit dot jpg, and now after getting to with the live server it would get me to the website where my image is added. Okay, so if I remove the height or include the height, so in the height I would give it to 100 pixels, and in the alternative text I would write basic png prodev. Okay, so we guys can check that it must reflect on my website or web page. You guys can check it's my image and of the 100 pixel, and which is like very small in the size. Okay, so that's how you can add images in the HTML actually. So that's very simple guys. You can add any image in your website or web page through HTML by using the image tag. We have a lot of properties also with the images like height and width also. So width, if I choose the width of like 400 pixels and height also 400 pixels, and so it would give me a website or web page with a box like image. But it's suggested, a good suggestion, that only choose height or width for the editing purpose, so that your image don't get ruined. It's like interesting and good looking. Okay, so that's how you can add the images in your HTML. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for the more videos and like this type of tutorials. So here is the code snippet, you guys can check and can subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button.